OpenClaw update Wednesday, the 25th of February 2026. We are having a terrible time all day yesterday. I thought I was maybe going to make huge progress and ended up making like no progress. I've been stuck. I was supposed to do stuff automatically, but I've been stuck just micromanaging it for no success. So we got to figure out a better way for me to like zoom out, go like up a level, delegate tasks, plan it properly. I think I've had a huge issue with not planning enough. I'm just going to trust it to go ahead and figure something out as it goes. And it's made some assumptions which I've afterwards gone and inspected and actually disagreed with. And to plan better, we tried setting up the voice call plugin. I thought it was going to be super easy, plug and play, go in like buy a number, whatever. Didn't get it to work. At a point, I just gave up because I kind of had to go to bed and stuff. Maybe I'm super close, I don't know, but it's eventually I just cannot keep just throwing time at it. The whole point is to not throw time at it, to just throw direction at it and for it to work by itself. But I end up throwing more and more time at it. It's like the opposite thing. And I'm struggling to step away from the OpenClaw because I'm so excited that we can build something and I can do it just from my phone. But so I end up just spending more time on my phone and on my computer and not getting anything cool done. Um, yeah, only successful thing I can really show right now is I cannot even be bothered to go through all the things that have gone wrong. Tried setting up a bunch of overnight automations that has mostly failed. But my Strava manager is now working somewhat. I have to still train today to see if it's fully working, but this is kind of cool. My OpenClaw or my system has now a way to AI generate images, and these are based off of images of me, so they kind of look like me. They're like anime images because I didn't want it to look too real. But it's like a blonde dude, similar build to me, maybe a little bit extra jacked and lean, but whatever. And for this, I never opened the Strava app to put this title or description. The system itself, it knew my training plan for the week. And once these got posted automatically from my watch, like after workout, they get uploaded automatically. Then it saw that there were new activities. It saw how they kind of coincided with my plan, so it understood what kind of activity it was, and and put the correct title and description for both of these, which is pretty cool. And then it's supposed to also auto-generate an image at the same time, which I think would succeed, but there was just like a small bug that we had kind of fixed, but forgotten to save the fix properly. So I did have to send the messages afterwards to get the images. But I mean, from before I thought it would work automatically and then it didn't. But now again, we think it's going to work automatically in the future. So we'll have to see. I'm doing a session later today. It should get correctly uploaded automatically by just how Strava integration already exists. Then my OpenClaw should see it, understand what kind of workout it is compared to my training plan, put the right title and description, and also generate an image based on that title and description and the details of the workout and upload that. And the actual image, I'm not sure if I said in the last video, I think I did, but Strava API doesn't allow it, so we have like a separate browser automation running where it goes to the website, edits the activity, uploads the image. And otherwise, for all the other stuff, it's not much to report on because it's all failed, to be honest. Automatic update at night failed. Backups succeeded. I now have like Git backups and full backups of my own whole OpenClaw, which is cool. Ingesting my YouTube history failed. Ingesting my voice memos failed. Ingesting my iCloud library failed. It's like somewhat succeeded, but not fully. So, yeah. I gotta figure out a smarter way to use my OpenClaw so I do less micromanaging, but still have it work. Because I'm throwing too much time on it, man. It's the opposite of what it's supposed to be. Taking more time is supposed to take less time and automate more, but I'm spending more time tweaking with the automations. It's pointless. But I do have a belief that this is building into and is very close to something that is super cool and powerful and also valuable. But in the setup process, we're still at the bottom of the J curve. Essentially, it's just more work put in and no value gotten out. So um, still worse off than before I started, to be honest. But now we have something kind of running and actually automating my life a little bit. But this wasn't like a big thing. It was very small to do this myself. So yeah, still not actually gain anything in my life from OpenClaw, but I think we are starting to get there.